and this drifting is so much fun, and I know that you like the drifting as much as I do, so we prepared a really cool compilation for you guys now, so you can enjoy it, and also in the end you can learn how to do it. So let's drift and let's rock on.
I need to switch off all the ABS and MSR systems that are taking the fun away.
I thought so. Now you have a burning wish to learn how to drift, right? Luckily I did a tutorial for you guys.
What's up guys? Welcome to the new Rok vlog, and today I'm gonna show you how to drift.
Step by step, easy, safe way to learn it, and you can find the tutorial here or in the description below. Have fun while learning. And that's it guys. Before we end, I would like to know which bike you wish that I put sideways or drifted next time. Drop the comments below. And that's it for this time. See you in the next one. Until then, rock on.